Hello. Today I'm going to show how I built the serverless user group management platform using 24 plus AWS Lambda functions. So this site isn't just a simple CRUD app. So it has a content analysis, event-driven workflows, and real-time processing. Uh, my application follows serverless first architecture where Lambdas handle from authentication to a content analysis. I have grouped my lambdas into five main categories: user service for handling user authentication, user management; file service serves as a utility for uploading files to S3; event service handling the event workflow; submission service handles the submission workflow for users; so credential and redemption service used for credits and voucher management, also to send emails to users on redeeming it. So I'll just show a quick workflow of submission service. Uh, Going to the website. Uh, so the submission form looks like to the website. So this is the events page. So where all the events will be listed here. So there will be two types of events. So builder skill sprint and visual event. So builder skill sprint is like a month-long event where it will contain series of events and a challenge. So each challenge will have a form. So if you click on this, the form will be something like this. So we have to give few details, upload a form, give the URL for the blog or whatever content you submit. So once you submit, so it will trigger a step function. So I'll show you the step function console. So once the user clicks on save submission, so the step function will determine what type of submission is this. Is it a video or a blog post? So if it is a blog post, it extracts the content of the blog from it, and it feeds it to the analyze content lambda function. So which uses Bedrock under the hood to create few metrics out of the blog's context, which will provide few metrics for the admin to determine evaluating the blog, like quality assurance and summary of what the blog is about. So this a analyze content will generate the data, and it will be saved to the DynamoDB. This one. So here we can see a new field for AI analysis with originality, quality, relevance, and summary has been generated. So these fields will be visible for the admin. So all the user submission will be visible here. So for example, for this submission, we can see the scores of relevance, quality, and originality and summary. So for all the user submissions will be here. So now the admin can approve this user, so which will be reflected in their profile and also in the home and leaderboard. So now I'll show you, and I have also integrated event-driven processing using simple queue service for this redemption service. So whenever a user tries to redeem credits, so it uses an event-driven approach and uses sending emails to users as well. So I'll just try to do this. So confirm redemption. So this will create an trigger, and it will submit the event to SQS. So which will again trigger an Lambda to send an redemption email to the user. So now I have just redeemed it with Jonah Mike's account. So if I go to the email, so here I should see the mail. Like yeah, we have got this mail. So for our $100 AWS credits. So we can also see all the data in this website are updated real time, right from points to leaderboard data and user profile, everything. So here you can see we have one upload submission for Jona with 1,000 points, but and we can see we can go to the user profile and we can see what are all the submissions that the user had made and what are the redemptions that the user had made. So so if he had made two submissions, one got approved with 1,000 points, and he had redeemed both with $100 credits. So this application helps users and administrators of user groups to manage and run events smoothly. So this application is completely built on serverless, and there are no servers to manage. So it's a good part of it. So the system scales independently, and I have to pay the cost only for what I use, and it also handles complex workflows seamlessly. Uh, yeah, thank you.